Using the applicator that comes with our vaginal moisturizers can look a little bit intimidating, so I am here to walk you through it. First, let's wash our hands. Next, let's remove our Restore tube and our applicator from the box. Next, let's open our applicator. I do like to wash mine the first time after opening it from the packaging. Next, we're going to grab the tube and screw on the applicator. I do like to give the tube of Restore a little bit of a squeeze while pulling the applicator out and filling it to 4 grams. If you're just starting out with a vaginal moisturizer, you can even start with a smaller amount just to get used to it. Then you're going to carefully unscrew the applicator from the tube, trying not to spill it. Next, you're going to get in a comfortable position and insert the applicator and slowly release the gel. Afterwards, make sure to wash your applicator thoroughly and let completely air dry before you use the next time.